Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield for my weekly close-up look at the Anfield Road Expansion. I'm pointing at the sun because it's sunset. All the workers have gone home. It's Saturday 6 p.m. All the workers have gone home, so I'm going to have a little look around. Or towards the start with that nice sunset going on there. Okay, so let's look where we are. Okay, so first of all, there's a backspan. The fourth backspan's up, so that's nice to come to. So we're going to get a nice close look at that now. I'll take it over and bring it down. I'll have a good look at it. There we go, so just make sure I'm clear, nothing in my way, so I'm going to go right over this now and have a good look at it. I've had a good look around the site. There's definitely no one here, so let's go over this and have a good look at the fourth span. Then we'll get to some talking points and have a look around. There you go, just that little bit of concrete to go in there. Well, so really coming along. Right, let's see, there's all, yeah, it's still connected by the crane, so I'm not going to get too close now. Okay, so, but there we are. See that it is still connected to the crane, just there. Oh, and that's as close as I'm going to get to that. Oh, we're back out of it. But yeah, that must have went up at some point today. No doubt Paul Frostmate should have got some footage of that, because he's normally on the ball when it comes to getting the lifts. So yeah, we get lower. Right, I'm just looking where the drone is. There we go. Right, we'll get lower and see the stairwells in there that take you up to the concourse at the top. And then I'll have a little scan along. I'm just watching the trees. I don't want to do any hedge cutting today. Let's see where the trees are. Yeah, I'm above them. From the ground it's deceiving. It looks though I'm really close, but I'm not. So we'll get a good look along now. So yeah, let's get a bit closer.
Must have done them overnight, mate, I think.
Which?
These pictures.
No, they done them last week.
Did they?
Yeah.
Right,
They do, yeah, they're good. So not the mural was done. So I'm going to drop this down and get really close, because believe it or not, I'm still not even over the site, even though it looks like I am on a drone. See, I'm still over the park. So just in case you got the do-gooders saying, well, you're too close to the site. I'm not even over the site. No, let's get a good close look in here. Look, I'm looking on my phone, so you'll see more than what I will. But tons of work gone in there. Yeah, the drone buzzing above my head. Okay, let's take it up and take it a bit more along and get a look in here. Okay. Okay. If anyone sees anything that they want to talk about, let me know. Okay, because as I've self-confessed before, I know nothing about construction, but I'd like to get nice footage of the work. That's where the concrete terracing is going to go in there to finish that off. Got the lift shaft to the left. And that's about as far as my construction expertise goes. So I'll get to my talking points. So first off, I want to thank everyone who someone going down on a bike here. If you can hear it, you know, one of these balaclava up kids, if you like. Right. That's what happens when you come out at this time. Let me get the drone in the air so we can have a good look at the site. So, have a look at that there. So yeah, everyone who I was talking to about, there's that bike coming past again. Talking to about it's full of idiots in this park. So Leslie, anyway, I put the campaign out last week about Leslie King, and she was found a few days later. So I just want to thank everyone who, you know, kept an eye out for her, and if it, wherever it come from that she's found, you know, just let's just say we're glad that she's found now. She's safe and well. I don't know any more information. Obviously she's not in the best way, so I'm just going to leave the family to you know, deal with it now and hopefully get her in the right place. Okay, so I'll leave that there and just thank you everyone who's kept an eye out for her. Right, so what people have been asking, how the steel's going to from the old roof, how the steel from the old roof coming out, sorry. So let's get over and have a look. So there's the heat lamps again. So see down there, the old Anfield Road roof under the front spans. I imagine that'll be getting taken out in sections, cut up and removed. It's the only way I think it'll happen. I can't see it coming out. It'd be great if it come out in the one, but I can't see it. Alright, this ties in with what's just happened. I need to watch me back in Stanley Park if I'm coming up at night, you know, at this time to do me to do these videos. Listen, I'm from round here. I've lived round here all my life. It's going to take a very brave person to try and take my stuff off me. I'm going to tell you that for nothing. Yeah, it doesn't faze me. Let's put it that way. Oh, yeah. What else have we got here? What are the plans for the sides as it looks empty? Okay, so let's get over one side and see what you mean. I think you mean these corners here. So bear in mind there's a lot of brickwork to go up, so the brickwork's going to come pretty much off the kind of daggly stand down there. Okay, and it's going to come right round, and the road is yet to be reinstated, about to go down the stand. So although it looks empty now, there's going to be quite a lot of brickwork going on down there, so that'll all get filled out. Plus they're putting down those tiles that people can buy. Stones, forever stones they're called. I bought one when they come out. Mine's outside the main stand. So yeah, the forever stones will be going down. That's probably in that area as well. So it's going to be, you know, if you look at the main stands. Let's get over the main stands. Give you more of an idea of what I'm talking about. Good job I got my drone in sport mode. Okay, so it's more of a fan plaza, and then down where the trees are, down there, is it worth taking the drone back down again? Oh, just down here, where then people are walking to the right of them. They're all stones that people have bought, and they go, there's hundreds of them, to go right down the bottom there. Okay, so they're going to be going down here, and while I'm here I've just noticed there's another backspan being built, so that's going to go. Let's get round. Try not to make this video go on too long, but I do like to try and cover everyone's comments. My drone is in sport mode, so I get round as fast as I can, and try and get it done before they lose the light as well. So yeah, the steelwork, the ironwork's not even up for that front span to go on, back span to go on yet. So yeah, but that's where it's going to go, to the right hand side of that one there. Okay, shouldn't have too much more. There wasn't many questions on my last close-up one. Oh, why they're not connecting the stands and the roofs so they look like a bowl? Because I think I can answer that one without any help. Is that the 4 separate stands? If you want a bowl, you're going to have to knock the whole thing down and restart or rebuild it. The whole thing would have to get knocked down. Sorry if I'm losing the light. Yeah, there we go. The exposure's alright now. Yeah, basically you'd have to knock the whole ground down if you want a bowl. I don't want a bowl, I want 4 separate stands, and hopefully they can build the other 2 up the same size. The family going past, so I'll let them go past before I crack on with the rest. As I finish this off, nice one, see you later Leanne, nice to see you. Ta-da. Right, sorry about the interruption guys. I bumped into a friend, they wanted to talk, so I'm out to now, because we got 27% left on my battery now after that chat. What's going on between the back spans if not filled in with more framework? Well, that's nothing. Let's get round and have a look. So there's me low battery one to bring it home now. Yeah, not gonna be going in between them. It's just be overkill to put more work in there, wouldn't it? So yeah. So yeah, it'll just be the roof panelling going on there. Let you have a good look before I bring the drones down. So yeah, guys, I'll leave it there anyway. Any more questions, ask me, and I'll get as much covered as I can. Okay, but to stop this annoying sound, I'll have to land my drone now. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.